County 403.
County 403 Heavy, SoCal Departure, radar contact, climb maintain 17,000.
Let me see 17,000, County 403 Heavy. And for departure for County 403, looks like we're just going to run a quick checklist. Any chance we to stop our climb and run and go into a hold, please?
County 403 Heavy, roger. Any altitude below 13,000 is approved.
All right, we'll stop it at 10.
Okay, stopping at 10, and you want vectors on?
Let's see.
How about stay on the route for a little while?
Okay, that's fine. Just advise us when we're ready for the hold.
I'm just going to vector you around. I don't have anything else to do.
All right, thanks.
Roger. County 403 Heavy, turn right heading 180.
Right turn heading 180, County 403 Heavy. Talking to the company now, we're probably going to have to return to LAX. We're working it out now, County 403 Heavy.
Sure, just let me know.
Thank you.
And departure County 403.
Right, sir.
Yeah, just to give you a heads up, we would like to declare an emergency. We have 5 people on board, and we just have a slight flap issue, and shouldn't be a problem. We're going to have to go back to the field. We're still burning off. I'll let you know when we're ready.
Roger that. And how many people did you say?
5 still total.
5? Okay, thank you. 403, turn left heading 090. And you guys want to head back in now, or you still want to keep burning, right?
Yeah, just burn a little bit more.
All right, just let me know when you want to, and then we'll coordinate everything and have trucks and everything.
Awesome.
You said you wanted the 25 left?
25 right.
25 right, thanks. 403 Heavy, turn left heading 010.
Hey, left heading 010, County 403 Heavy.
County 403, turn left heading 320.
Hey, left turn 320, County 403.
County 403 Heavy, turn left heading 250. Heavy.
And Birch for County 403.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, we're ready to start coming in. If any chance we get like a extended downwind, possibly out by fault.
I will pass that along as well, and you guys wanted 25 right, they know that. And what's your fuel remaining? County 403 Heavy, turn left heading 160.
Left heading 160, County 403 Heavy.
Turn left direct Seal Beach.
Left direct Seal Beach, County 403 Heavy.
Heavy, descend and maintain 7,000.
Yeah, you're down at 7,000. Can we just stop at Seal Beach?
Sierra Lima, India.
That's what I thought. Down to 7,000, direct Seal Beach, County 403 Heavy.
County 403 Heavy, contact approach 128.1.
128.1, thanks for the help, County 403 Heavy.
Welcome.
03 Heavy is with you. 7.9 down to 7,000 Foxtrot, direct Seal Beach.
County 403 Heavy, Los Angeles approach. Good evening. Expect runway 25 right ILS. And I heard you wanted an extended downwind to final?
Yeah, somewhere all the way. Probably out by fault would work for us.
Fault. Okay, that's not too bad. It's about 15 miles. Okay, expect that.
Thanks.
Connie 403 Heavy, depart Seal Beach, VOR, heading 360, vectors to final.
Okay, after Seal Beach 360 heading for vectors, Connie 403.
Connie 403 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000. Connie 403 Heavy, what's going to be your final approach speed tonight? I know it's going to be probably a little bit fast, right?
180 knots, Connie 403.
Okay. I'm going to give you a little extra space in between you and preceding traffic because I got them slowed down almost all the way back. And just give me about a 020 Connie 403 Heavy. 020 heading.
Okay, no problem. 020 Connie 403.
Connie 403 Heavy, turn left heading 320.
320 Connie 403.
Connie 403 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000 Connie 403.
Connie 403 Heavy, turn left heading 270, join the runway 25 right localizer.
Block.
Connie 403 Heavy, turn left heading 270, join the 25 right localizer.
Turn 270, join the localizer for 25 right Connie 403.
Connie 403 Heavy, you're a mile and a half from fault, maintain 3,000 to your established, cleared ILS, runway 25 right approach.
3,000, 25 right.
Connie 403 Heavy, contact Los Angeles Tower, your frequency is 127.85, 2785, good evening.
2785, thanks for that, Connie 403.
Connie 403 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, wind 080 at 6,
United 1934, LA Tower, wind 080 at 6, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Depart the parallel. Connie 403 Heavy, the wind is 090.
1934,
Connie 403 Heavy, roger, make a right turn there, and then turn right on Bravo, and then Charlie 1 to parking.